6.74.
That's a bunch of babies.
I was going to say 6'4".
He's crusty.
He said, try another one.
CPR,
bro.
Find one. Go in there and keep digging till you find one.
If it's close enough, I'll be like,
Well, I got one more.
yeah. $11.50.
Should have grabbed that one, the other one out.
Yeah, nice.
20 pounds like this
That's a lot of fish coming down.
bet it's true.
He's ready, ain't he?
Everybody needs that pool. One time, I know someone died.
You bring yours up, Irvin?
I'm not weighing mine.
Yeah.
Fish right there.
Nice. That's a good one right there. That's probably a 10-pounder right there. Close to it.
Nice fish.
What number are you?
11. 9.54. Good job, man.
Good job, bro. Got what you had running.
I knew it was close to 10.
Yeah.
That's a good one. You said you caught them on Cheeto Puffs, huh?
Yep, Cheeto Puffs and marshmallows.
That's insane.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
25. Hit it, floppy. 25. As soon as it stops.
He's like, I'm
Not
getting
today, but he is not having it. 25.00. Good job, man.
Good job, bro.
Man down.
Man down.
Hey, he done his job, though.
That's a nice one.
Yeah.
He got a little scale.
Yeah.
He had to make fillets out of him.